Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant announced important decision in regards to reopening of schools in the state. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant, while briefing media on 3rd November, informed that schools will reopen for 10th and 12th standard students from 21st November 2020. The decision is made after taking all stakeholders into confidence. CM also told media that schools are advised to follow all SOPs and other precautionary measures in regards to COVID-19. CM also clarified that no decision has been made in regards to primary school yet. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.